Okay, so now we're at the point where we have all the drivetrain in, we've got the suspension in, axles, lower subframe, and I've done all the unsexy stuff like wiring and bleeding the bleeding the clutch system now that it's a hydraulic clutch. So the only thing left to do is reassemble this thing with all the sexy, fun items that you guys all definitely want to see. I spared you the rest of the stuff because clearly that's nothing that you have either not seen before or care to even see. I know you didn't tune in and watch this video to see me do stuff you can see in other videos, so let's get this thing assembled and hopefully fired up today. Well, there you have it. Everything is fully assembled. The front wheels are on. We've removed the blue plastic that we put on cars that are here for a while when we do large builds like this. And it's just about time to fire this thing up for the first time. Excuse the fingerprints. I'll clean those all up, of course, before we deliver this vehicle, but we are at the imminent hour here of being able to get this thing fired up and hopefully delivered to our friend Stavros here in the next few days. Maybe even tomorrow. We'll just have to wait and see. So, what do you say we fire this thing up, huh? So this is something I want to show you guys, which I haven't shown you yet, but this here is a velocity stack intake that I made for this setup. It's got a carbon fiber headlight intake, and when he's driving around on the street, he'll be running this air filter right here. But as soon as he gets to the track, he'll pull the filter off and slap this on with this coupler and this turn right here with the velocity stack, and he'll be able to get all the air that a forward-facing turbo would normally get. So this is something that I actually did on my setup a while ago, and it was strictly to be able to be more competitive against the guys with the forward-facing turbos. So a unique feature and a unique product that I put together for them. Definitely wanted to show that to you because I haven't shown that to you yet. Well, there you have it. That's pretty much it for Stavros's Evo transformation. After the first startup and checking through everything, giving it a good once over, everything looks good. So I've contacted Andy and Stavros. They're on their way. They're going to be picking it up later today, and I couldn't be more excited for them. I do want to send them a special thank you and shout out for choosing Hochman Fabrication and Speed for your build and allowing me to share this opportunity with you. This is what I do for a living. I love doing it, and I can't thank you guys enough for letting me do it with you. I had nothing but fun. So without further ado, the only thing left is to share with you Stavros as he meets his new build and his new car. Congratulations. Okay, here we are at the final hour. We've got Stavros and Andy here ready to pick up the car, and Stavros is just now going to have his first opportunity to take a look under the hood. So I told you before, there's something different that you're not going to recognize under the hood here because, well, Andy and I kind of came up with a little something, so do your honors. Stavros is going to be driving this car home tonight, and he's actually thinking about taking it to the track tomorrow just to get some miles on it, but for now, he's going to get to stand in glory of all the new changes that are in the car. Do you notice anything that's different that you weren't expecting? You don't notice anything at all that's different that you were not expecting at all, but maybe were hoping would be part of this whole deal? Nothing at all. You're looking at the engine. You're not supposed to be looking at the engine. What's the other components that were not changed on the vehicle that you were hoping or were wanting to change on the vehicle? And he's like, I don't know what you're talking about.
I can't even look. I can't even give it away.
It's obvious. Well, let's think. We did everything. Oh, all of a sudden, there it is.
Suspension.
Yeah. Drag spec coilovers, buddy. now you'll be able to hook, assuming we get some tires on this thing. So, hey, all I can tell you is this is what I do and what I love to do, and I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate you guys choosing Hochman Fab to do the job for you. I had nothing but fun with you guys, and now that's all that's left is for this thing to head home with you. And then here in a week or so, it's getting ready to go over to Boost in Performance, because Devin's gonna work his magic on the tune with all the bells and whistles, all the sensors, so that he has all the fail safes. So stay tuned for the results of that, and that'll be coming to you soon. Till then, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and be sure to hit notifications if you want to know when projects like this are coming up in the shop. Until then, catch you later.